So oftentimes I would get a project where I am only presented with images. Sometimes a time frame would hinder what you can do with an image, but when you do have that extra time, I love to do something very dramatic to my images when I'm approached with a video project like this. I always say that it's very important that on a professional level, use your best knowledge of what you can actually do. Don't be afraid to push the limit. Sometimes I feel like, creators, they hinder themselves when they only focus on just getting the job done, and then they cripple their creativity. Well, this is a way that you can kind of enhance your creativity as a professional to start doing more dynamic things with images. So I want to help you kind of think outside the box. Are you ready? Let's get creative.